I just came back from a 4-night shift, so I'm done with the gift wrapping. I still have more gifts coming, literally like for myself, but now I have some of the gifts wrapped, so I need to nap first before I sort my hair out. Anyway, I'll see you guys again in my next video, or in the next vlog, in this video.
Payments accepted. Thanks for shopping at Tesco.
Okay. Thank you.
Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.
Red.
Mwah.
Please, please.
What's that?
It's red. Red.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch I do it all, and I'm around you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just too. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3.
So my bole plantain is ready, is getting ready. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys that it's my wedding anniversary today, Christmas Eve. So this one is actually wedding anniversary dinner. That's what I'm making for my husband and my family. So you know what, sir? For my family. Anyways, it's Christmas Day here. We are super excited. Yeah, let me come to my Christmas tree. Let me stay there. Oh, my Christmas tree is one of the funniest one. It's long, I mean it's high, but it's not, doesn't have branches. But anyway, that's not why we are here. Merry Christmas to you, my lovely people. I'm wishing you a really beautiful and lovely holidays wish you a Merry Christmas and a fruitful and a prosperous New Year. I hope you enjoy your Christmas also. And with love from me to you. Yeah, it's Christmas today. We're going out to my friend's place, who has invited me for their Christmas dinner or lunch. I don't even know how it is, but anyway, we are here, and I just woke up. My mom is upstairs, and these are the things I wanted to take to the Christmas dinner, because my two friends are coming. So I've given them this amber gift, and also I got them cake to celebrate Christmas. I'm trying to open the cake. Anyway, this is the daddy's gifts. Everybody's gifts. Oh yeah. Yeah, go buy me the paper and what to read to see.
Ọmọ tí ń jáde fúnra rẹ o ọlọ́gbọ́n ó já ilé wa fún mi kọ́lùmọ̀ pọ̀ náà ń jà dúró síbi kọ́lùmọ̀ pọ̀ ń jà ẹ̀ ó yá.
Unwrap your gift.
Báyọ̀ ti jáde ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀ mo wá bóyá kí n tẹ̀ ṣí níbi kan kò ṣeé ṣe.
Wait, I want to help you.
Wait.
Should mommy open? This is from your G-mom. G-mom.
Yeah, kiss.
Should I take it out?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ kò ní ṣe gbé padà o, ẹ má gbé lẹ̀ sí yín o, á ń jà o. Ó máa scatter ẹ̀ o. Kò tí ìyàwó wá ti pé 3 years ó máa like ẹ̀. Ẹ pé kó wà bá ẹ náà máa gbé nǹkan ìjáde bá ń jáde. Nose, eyes, mouth, hand, head, leg, bag.
I've been looking for this bag for like the longest. I didn't even see it on Coach website. So I saw this bag on Brand Alley. It's a designer store, online store. But then I got it at a deal, which was great. But anyway, my bag is here. Mama, you like it? Everybody, let's pack our gift and get ready to go out. Ready?
In 300 meters, turn right.
Say hello to Shay. Hello. And say grandma too. Grandma, Omoladu. Toshe, Omoladu. Shubengbe, let's say Omoladu. Mommy, Omoladu. Anyways, we're on our way. Omoladu. Shubengbe, let's say Omoladu. Give mommy a kiss. You can sleep if you want, you know.
I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 times again. I testify for you. I throw that like you, that bitch I do it. All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking now after me. I ain't got it. I've been skimming, looting. I ain't your body. I touch that fire for you. I do that 3 times again. I testify for you. I throw that like you, that bitch I do it. All of them around you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been skimming, looting. I ain't your body. Long as you dreaming about me.
Toby, say hello. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Tell a joke. I'm trying to organize a hide and seek tournament, but good players are really hard to find. Did you know? An egg contains every vitamin except vitamin C.
I did not know that. Oh yeah, do a video of me. That's cool.
We're back home. I hope you enjoy your holiday, or you had a lovely Christmas. And until then, we'll see you again. This is basically Christmas vlog, so I'm gonna try to put this together so that everything comes out really, on time. Yep. Bye bye. See you again.